To open a Santander joint account, start by gathering the necessary documents, including identification and proof of address for both account holders. Ensure you have a valid passport, driving license, or national identity card, as well as a utility bill or bank statement showing your current address. Next, decide on the type of joint account you want to open, such as a current account or savings account. Consider the benefits and features of each account, including interest rates, overdraft facilities, and online banking options. Visit the Santander website or branch to apply for the joint account. You can fill out the application form online or in person, providing the required documents and information. Make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of the account, including any fees or charges. Once your application is approved, you will receive a joint account mandate, which outlines the terms of the account and the responsibilities of each account holder. Review this document carefully and ensure you understand how the account will be managed. To manage your joint account, you can use online banking or mobile banking services. You can also set up direct debits, standing orders, and transfers, and check your account balance and transaction history. It is essential to consider the implications of a joint account, including the fact that both account holders are equally responsible for the account and any debts incurred. Make sure to discuss and agree on how the account will be managed and used with the other account holder. In the event of a dispute or separation, it is crucial to understand the process for closing or changing the joint account. You can contact Santander customer service or visit a branch for guidance and support. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices, you can successfully open and manage a Santander joint account. Remember to always review and understand the terms and conditions of the account, and to communicate effectively with the other account holder to ensure a smooth and successful joint account experience.